Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken roll. First, gather all your ingredients, including about 1 pound of boneless chicken, your preferred spices, and wrappers. Next, prepare the chicken by cutting it into small, uniform pieces. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized, and have your cooking oil ready for the next steps. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process. Now, let's create those delicious rolls. Combine your prepared chicken with your favorite spices, a small amount of binder like egg, and any finely chopped vegetables. Take about 2 tablespoons of this mixture and place it onto a wrapper or dough. Carefully roll and seal each one tightly, ensuring no filling escapes during cooking. This step is crucial for perfectly formed rolls. It's time to cook your chicken rolls. You have several options. You can fry them in about 1 inch of hot oil, bake them at 375 degrees F, or use an air fryer. Regardless of your method, cook until they are golden brown and crispy, typically for 10 to 15 minutes. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F for safe consumption. Enjoy the wonderful aroma filling your kitchen. Your homemade chicken rolls are almost ready to enjoy. After cooking, let them rest for a few minutes. This helps them set and retain their juices. Serve them warm with your favorite dipping sauces, perhaps a tangy sweet chili or a creamy garlic sauce. These rolls are perfect as an appetizer or a light meal. Get ready to savor every delicious bite you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.